Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I have received some requests from the audience saying how to say certain things. As you know, some of the viewers are trying so hard to learn the language, and they just have trouble saying what they don't understand. In this example, they don't understand how to express the fact that I don't know simplified Chinese, or I don't know traditional Chinese. In this episode, we're going to focus on how to express that. So let's say you want to say, I don't know how to read simplified Chinese character, or how to write traditional character. We'll do something like this. The phrase I don't know is 我唔識我唔識 識 means understand or know. Means negative. I don't understand or know. 我唔識 There are two flavor here. One is read and write. Read is 讀, write is 寫. 我唔識讀 or 我唔識寫. Simplified is 簡體. Traditional is 繁體. The only difference is the first character. 簡 means simple, simplify. 體 means the form, simplified form. 繁體 繁 means complicated or commonly traditional, formal. Complicated form. So 我唔識讀簡體字 is the character. Or 我唔識讀繁體字. Or 我唔識寫簡體字 or 寫繁體字. So this combination of words, as I broke it down to you, is very easy to put them all together to express what you want. Now, don't go away yet. I'm going to introduce a couple more phrases and tell you how to use those phrases in a real life scenario. What I'm going to do was going to say, do you understand? Earlier I said I don't know. I don't know just means I don't know it. Do you understand is do you understand the meaning is different from do you know the meaning. So when you say I really don't know the meaning, or I do know the meaning, you will say do you understand? 你明唔明? 明 means understand, not just know. You understand the meaning. 你明唔明? That's a phrase that I want to introduce. In just a few minutes, I'm going to put this in use. So as I was preparing for this session of the video, I realized I'm running out of ink. So what you will be seeing is I'm going to be using the same color for some of the characters. Just keep your eyes peeled. So we'll continue expressing the concept of understand. How to express the word understand. So do you understand this character meaning? What I mean by understand means you really know the meaning behind it, not just heard of it. Do you understand this character's meaning? You will go 你明唔明? 明 means understand. Negating another 明 is the same pattern again that I talked about before. Positive and then negative. 明唔明? will form a question. Do you blah? Do you understand? Do you know? You always have this pattern, positive and then negative. 你明唔明? Do you understand? 呢個字 this character 呢個字點解? 點解 is a qualifier to say the meaning. 點 means how, 解 means explain. How to explain certain things, that means you are trying to understand the meaning behind it. So, 你明唔明呢個字點解 the meaning of it? 點解? So, this is a simple phrase, but if you break it down, you can reuse part of this phrase. Do you understand? 你明唔明 can be used in many scenarios, not only for this character. You can say 你明唔明呢個 formula? 你明唔明呢個 recipe? 你明唔明呢個 behavior? So you can just take this phrase and apply it to many scenarios, provided that you change the object phrase here. Now, once you ask this question, chances are people will respond to you. They understand or not understand. So you can reuse a lot of stuff too. Or I don't understand this character. You say 我唔明 because I don't. Just negating phrase. 我唔明呢個字點解? As simple as that, right? Once you understand how to break down the phrase. Or if you say I understand, I will say 我明呢個字點解? Get the sentence structure? In the next section, I'm going to talk more about how to ask specific portion of the Chinese character. This is shiny microphone to celebrate for one of the few times that this channel shows you some real Chinese character. Wait, I'm just pretending to use it. But some real Chinese character. The reason I want to show some real Chinese character is this sentence. Radical. What's the radical of this character? Now, what is radical? This episode is not to talk about exactly all the radical in Chinese have. We're just using it as an example. This character means good. Hao in Mandarin, Hao means Hou. Hou in Cantonese sounds like Hou, means good. Now, the radical of this character is this one. This means female. And this means your son, S-O-N, son. Right? So in Chinese character, usually they have a radical. That's the root of the character. Now, some people will some of the audience ask me, how do you say this phrase? What is the radical of this character? You go, 呢個字 this character, 呢個字個部首 the radical 呢個字個部首係乜嘢? So again, I don't want you to just learn a sentence. I want you to understand how the sentence is put together. So that you can break it apart of the sentence to use it somewhere else. 呢個字 means this character, 個部首 the radical, 係乜嘢? This phrase is very common. Commonly used. 係乜嘢 means is what. If you directly translate, is what. So you can say uh, 呢部車係乜嘢色？呢部車 same as this 呢個字，呢部車 means this car 係乜嘢色？係乜嘢 ？It's what 色 is color. See, I just repurpose this 係乜嘢 phrase into a different scenario. It's what 色 color. 呢部車係乜嘢色 ？So next time you want to express what is, you can use this phrase as well. So I hope you enjoy my video this time and also enjoy my new microphone. By the way, you can get this from Amazon. It's shiny. It's not that expensive. It's about $30. This is not endorsement, advertisement. I'm just having fun. All right, see you next time. Bye.